Hello friends and welcome back to your own YouTube channel. I am Rajesh Malasi and in my today's video we will continue with algebraic expression, and today we are going to learn multiplication of algebraic expressions. So multiplication of algebraic expression, in this we will learn how to multiply monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial, monomial by trinomial and binomial by binomial. So if you have any confusion in monomial, binomial or trinomial, please go through my previous videos. So let's start the topic. First we will multiply monomial by monomial. So monomial, we know that which contains only single term or one term. So suppose 2a has to be multiplied by 5a. So both 2 and 5a are monomial, contains only single term. So since we need to multiply these two monomials, always remember the constant terms or the numbers will multiplied by the number and variable by the variable. So if we will multiply 2 and 5, it is 10 and a into a square. Exponents and power chapter. A raised to the power 1 multiplied by a raised to the power 1. So total a raised to the power 2. So 2a into 5a is 10a square. Now monomial by binomial. So suppose 2a is the monomial and 5a plus 6b is binomial. So what we need to do, when we will open the bracket, this 2a will multiply by 5a as well as this 2a will multiply by 6b also. So first 2a multiply by 5a plus as it is, and then 2a multiply by 6b. Then numbers by the numbers and variable by the variables. So 2 into 5, 10, a into a. Since we have 2a, so a raised to the power 2. In this case 2 into 6, 12. A and b are two different variables, so we will write ab as it is. So our answer is 10a square plus 12ab. I hope you understood to here. Let's move forward. Suppose we need to multiply monomial by trinomial. So in this case 2a is the monomial and 3a plus 4b minus 7ab is trinomial. So process is same. When we will open the bracket, this 2a will multiply by all these three terms. So first 2a multiply by 3a plus as it is, 2a multiply by 4b minus as it is, 2a multiply by 7ab. Right? Now after that, numbers by the number. So 2 into 3 is 6 and a into a square. Now 2 into 4, which is 8, a into b is ab, and 2 into 7, 14, a into ab, that is a into a. 2 times a is there, we will write a square and b as it is. So this is our answer. Now if we will multiply binomial by binomial, so in that case, suppose we need to multiply 2a plus 3b with 5a minus 2b. So first 2a will multiply by whole term 5a minus 2b, the whole expression. Then this plus 3b will multiply by the whole expression 5a minus 2b. So first 2a multiply by 5a minus 2b plus 3b, this 3b multiply by 5a minus 2b. Now again open the bracket. If I will multiply 2a multiply by 5a, 2 into 5, 10, a into a square. Then 2a will multiply by minus 2b. So minus plus minus, 2 into 2, 4, a into b, ab. Now this 3b will multiply by 5a. 3 into 5, 15, b into a is ba or ab. Then 3b will multiply by minus 2b. 3 to the 6 with negative sign, and b into b, b square. Now let's check we have any like terms or not. 10a square is a single term here, so we will write as it is, minus 4ab plus 15ab. So they are the like terms. So we can solve them. Minus plus is minus, but sign of the bigger number, which is 15, that is 11 ab, and 6b square, that is minus 6b square, will remain as it is. So this is the multiplication of algebraic expression. Let's move forward and learn some identities, and these identities are very important. We have first identity a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I will explain you also how this identity is there. Then a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we have a plus b and a minus b, which is a square minus b square, and x plus a, x plus b is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Let's see first identity, which is a plus b whole square. Now a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b, 2 times a plus b, right? Now look at this a plus b and a plus b, multiplication of binomial by binomial. First a will multiply it by a plus b, then b will multiply it by a plus b. So we got a into a square, a into b ab, b into a is ba or ab, and b into b is b square. So a square as it is, what is ab plus ab? 2ab, right? And then b square as it is. So look at this formula, or look at this identity. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the same way, a minus b whole square can be written as 2 times a minus b. Again, the product of binomial by binomial. First a will multiply it by a minus b, then minus b will multiply it by a minus b. So a into a square, then a into b, ab with negative sign, b into a is ba or ab with negative sign, and b into b square minus minus plus. A square as it is, minus ab minus 2ab, right, and plus b square as it is. So we have the formula of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's move to the third identity, which is a plus b and a minus b. Same multiplication of binomial by binomial. First a will multiply it by a minus b, then this plus b will multiply it by a minus b. Let's open the bracket. A into a square, a into b ab with negative sign, b into a ba with positive sign, and b into b square plus minus is minus. So this minus ab and plus ab cancel, or you get 0 also. So we are left with only a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. And last is x plus a, x plus b. So same multiplication of binomial by binomial. First x will multiply it by x plus b, then a will multiply it by x plus b. Let's open the bracket. X into x, x square, x into b, bx, a into x, ax, and a into b, ab. X square as it is, plus now bx plus ax. Since x is common, we can take out x outside. We are left with b plus a inside, plus ab as it is, or this can be written as x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So these all are the identities which are very important. You should know, you should learn it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.